So we're on a 17-acre estate today. It's a really nice piece of property up here in Montrose. And we've got a bit of a situation. The tree that I am in currently, but tied off to the one behind me, is a part of a codominant. And let me see if I can show you those codominants. There they are down there. If you can see one right there, that one blew over in the wind, and these two are pressing on each other and starting to uproot, and the ground is super wet. There's water under the tree trunks in the root zone, so it's just too soft, and because of the leverage, it's not great. And then this one that I'm in now and we're about to start removing is over a walk bridge down there that's nice and they don't want damage. So I am taking this tree out. We have it ratchet strapped at the bottom, plus I have a old piece of climb rope, that Scandiri, if you can see it down there, that is holding it together. Let me see, maybe you can see it there a little bit better. It's all holding it together down there, and we are trying to keep this thing from falling over while I'm in it, or falling over at all, really. So that's the goal. But man, what a view. What an awesome view of the Montrose area. Okay, stop there. All right, start lowering it. That's a big old boy. That's a big old hog. What is that? Probably 22 feet? Is it that big? Yeah. That's a good sized pick for that GRCS, isn't it? Solid green. Solid green. Just running water out of it. It's right here by the creek. I suspect 22 foot-ish is what I'm thinking. Probably a good 20-inch DBH, and all on the Samson blue, which is way up there on a small ISC aluminum block with the GRCS. This thing is amazing. Zach Richards, you were right. Should have gotten this a long time ago. Don't waste your money on the Stein 3001. Just go get the GRCS. Yes, it's 3 times the cost, but man, is it worth it. This thing is amazing. So, there you go.